Understanding physical weakness in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, physical weakness. This phrase is important to understand, as it's often used in daily conversations, healthcare settings, and in describing personal conditions. So, let's dive into what it means and how to use it correctly. Physical weakness refers to a lack of physical strength or energy. It can be caused by various factors such as illness, lack of exercise, poor nutrition, or even emotional stress. This term is often used in medical contexts or when discussing someone's health and fitness. For example, after a long illness, a person might say, "I am experiencing physical weakness." To understand how to use physical weakness in context, let's look at some examples. 1. After the surgery, the patient felt a considerable amount of physical weakness. 2. To overcome her physical weakness, she started a balanced diet and regular exercise. 3. Physical weakness in the elderly can be a sign of underlying health issues. Understanding synonyms can help you broaden your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for physical weakness. Lethargy, a state of tiredness, weariness, or lack of energy. Fatigue, extreme tiredness resulting from mental or physical exertion or illness. Fragility, the quality of being easily broken or damaged, also can imply weakness. Physical weakness isn't just limited to medical discussions. Here are different contexts where it can be used. In sports, describing a player's temporary lack of strength due to intense training. In daily life, referring to a general state of low energy, like saying, "I feel a bit of physical weakness today." In literature, to describe a character's physical state, often indicating vulnerability or a need for rest. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase asterisk.